This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check post analytics on Snapchat. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do basically is open up your Snapchat. And once you open up your Snapchat, you want to go to the top left to your profile. And then basically you will see, for example, my story and how many views it has. So it has at the moment 0 views. But you can always go down and click on my public profile. And if I were to go to inside, you can see your 28-day summary, total followers, profile views, like all of these statistics, your story views, followers, total view time, and etc. You can view all of it here. Now, of course, you can share this information and do a lot of different stuff, but that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.